Welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today, we're looking at the 3 best free video editing software for Windows 10, and we'll dive into an easy-to-use editor that can help you create amazing videos in no time. Now, let's get started. At number 3 on our list is Microsoft ClipChamp, rated 4.3 stars with 202 reviews on the Microsoft Store. ClipChamp is a beginner-friendly video editor that lets you create videos quickly, whether it's for social media, tutorials, or promotional content. Here are 3 standout features. Drag and drop interface, easily add and arrange your video clips without a steep learning curve. Screen and webcam recording, capture your screen or webcam footage directly for tutorials or presentations. AI voiceovers, quickly add professional sounding voiceovers using AI technology. Now let's take a look at the app's interface. On the home screen, you'll see options to start a new project or access recent videos, along with easy access to essential editing tools. Moving to the Template tab, you can explore pre-made video templates for social media, promotions, or tutorials, making it simple to create polished videos without starting from scratch. At number 2 on our list is CapCut, rated 4.7 stars with 2,000 reviews on the Microsoft Store. CapCut is a powerful yet easy-to-use video editor that lets you create high-quality videos for social media, tutorials, or personal projects with professional-looking results. Here are 3 standout features. Keyframe animation, add smooth and precise motion effects to your videos and images. Chroma key, easily remove or replace backgrounds using green screen effects. Auto captions and text-to-speech, generate captions automatically and add AI voiceovers to make your videos more engaging. Now let's look at the app's interface. On the home screen, you'll find options to start a new project, browse your recent projects, and access editing tools like trimming, splitting, and filters. The layout is clean and beginner-friendly, making it easy to navigate. In the Template tab, you can explore pre-made video templates for social media, marketing, or personal projects. These templates make creating professional videos faster and simpler. On the Marketing tab, CapCut offers options to add promotional content, intros, and customizable elements to help your videos stand out online. Each section provides clear buttons and tools, keeping editing smooth and accessible. Overall, CapCut combines powerful features with a simple interface, making it perfect for beginners and advanced users alike. At number 1 on our list is VideoPad Video Editor. This app is a fast and fun way to edit videos, letting you add video, audio, and image files by dragging and dropping or record new content directly within the software. VideoPad makes creating movies easy with a variety of tools for transitions, fades, and more. Here are 3 standout features. Drag and drop editing. Quickly import and arrange video, audio, and images for easy editing. Wide variety of effects. Apply transitions, fades, and visual effects to enhance your videos. Social media and DVD export. Share your finished projects directly to social media or burn them to DVD. Now, let's explore the app's interface. On the menu screen, you can access all the main settings, import options, and export tools, giving you full control over your project. On the home screen, you'll see options to start a new project or open recent projects, along with quick access to essential editing tools. The layout is clean and straightforward, making it easy to navigate. In the Clip tab, you can trim, split, and adjust video clips, or apply effects and transitions to create a polished final product. Each clip can be customized individually for timing and appearance. Finally, the Audio tab lets you add or adjust background music, sound effects, and voice recordings. You can control volume, fade in or out, and synchronize audio with your video clips. Overall, VideoPad combines beginner-friendly tools with powerful editing features, making it a versatile choice for creating videos quickly and easily. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button on PC Error Detective, turn on notifications, and stay tuned so you never miss any of our future helpful tips, step-by-step guides, and easy-to-follow tutorials.